So I want to demonstrate an upright row in the Smith machine. So you can do an upright row nearly with any variation, whether it's the cable, barbell, dumbbell, single arm. But the Smith machine offers obviously an element of safety, offers an element of clean line of movement, because obviously the bar is fixed. So that can be a great starting point for someone who's a little bit unfamiliar, particularly with the movement, because the upright row, you can utilize your lower back if you're not paying attention to what you're doing. You want to make sure that your core is engaged because the weight is anterior to the body. Therefore, you're going to potentially hinge or bend your back, bow your back, and load it up. So with the Smith machine, nice and close, even if it's on an angle, determine which side favours you the best and get on the appropriate side of that so that the angle works with you. Up, unhook, and then like a typical upright row, we want to bring it up, making sure that our elbows always lead above the bar. They're always above the bar. So that's the movement, but you also want to make sure that you get back down to a straight arm. I see a lot of people do this, where they're not getting a complete range. You've got to allow your arm to lock out, because what that is doing is effectively stretching out your deltoid. This is a shoulder workout. We want to maximise the shoulder. So by going all the way to the bottom, we're elongating the shoulder before we then lift the weight back up again, and same thing in reply. So it's really important that you firstly understand the fundamentals of the movement, secondly get correct technique and range, and then thirdly build your capacity in terms of lifting. So the upright row Smith machine version, really, really great for shoulders. Give that one a go and see what you think.